Welcome to our tutorial on how to find the IP address of your connection on Windows 10. Knowing your IP address can be useful for various network-related tasks. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Hey there, Windows 10 users! Today we'll show you how to find the IP address of your connection. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet to access the network settings. Step 4. Within the Network and Internet section, click on Status from the left pane. Step 5. Now, under the Status page, you'll see the details of your active network connection. Click on the Properties button for either the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, depending on your setup. Step 6. In the Properties section, scroll down and find the IP address in the IPv4 address setting. Congratulations! You have successfully found the IP address of your connection on Windows 10. This information can be helpful for troubleshooting network issues, setting up a local server, or configuring network devices. You've learned how to find the IP address of your connection on Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can easily access your IP address and utilize it for various network-related tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the possibilities with your IP address on Windows 10.